Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safely stay at home now. This is your Sanskrit class. In this class, we will discuss Sanskrit grammar. Already we have discussed the whole syllabus given by NCERT on Sanskrit. Okay? Today we will discuss about Sandhi, meaning of Sandhi, divisions of Sandhi, etc. and rules and regulations of Sandhi. Sandhi. What is the meaning of Sandhi? Sandhi means joining of letters or words. Sandhi means milan, union. Attanta nikata vasat अक्षरेषु शाब्दिक परिवर्तनम ही संधि. It means near related words when we join two or more than two near related words, that is called as sandhi. In sandhi, there will be no change of the meaning of words. Okay? When we can do sandhi, each and every word we cannot join. There are some rules and regulations about joining or disjoining of sandhis. First of all, we can join words with dhatus. Dhatu means kriyapada. With dhatu, we can join the words. Next, we can do also sandhi with upasargas. Here, when we join words with upasarga means proper upasama, etc. Upasargas, already you have find 22 upasargas. We discussed in your previous classes. That is called upasargas. We can also join words with upasargas. Sandhi may be held with upasargas, and we can do sandhi with in samasa. In samasa, there will be many more words, and that's what we can join. Then there will be one words. For example, bahavaha brihi jasyasya bahubrihi, or bahavaha brihi yasminsha bahubrihi, etc. Okay? Now, sandhi is of three types. Swar sandhi or as sandhi, or it is in English it is called as vowel sandhi. Vyanjan sandhi or hal sandhi means consonant, and visarg sandhi. With visarg we can do some sandhis which are subdivided as separate sandhi. Again, swar sandhi is of 5 types. They are yan sandhi, ayadi sandhi, guna sandhi, vriddhi sandhi, and dirgha sandhi. Vyanjan sandhi is also of 5 types. Shutta sandhi, stutta sandhi, yasatta sandhi, etc. Anuswar sandhi, etc. All I have given in a screenshot the whole divisions of sandhis: swar sandhi, vyanjan sandhi, visarga sandhi, etc. Visarga sandhi is also many types: visarga sandhi, utta sandhi, yatta sandhi, shutta sandhi, etc. Okay. Next, dirgha sandhi. What are called dirgha sandhi? In swara sandhi, in your syllabus you have dirgha sandhi, vriddhi sandhi, and yan sandhi most probably. Okay. From next class we will discuss about our dirgha sandhi and vriddhi sandhi in details. Okay. Thank you.